Do you want to uninstall Valorant? You are in the right place. Here is how to do so. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. In this video, we will show you how to uninstall Valorant completely from your device. Let's get started. Method 1. Close Valorant and Riot client properly. Valorant is a popular FPS game developed by Riot Games. However, if you no longer want to keep it installed, you need to uninstall both Valorant and Riot client to avoid any errors. Additionally, it's recommended to delete leftover files to ensure a clean uninstallation. Before uninstalling the game, ensure that Valorant and Riot clients are completely closed. If Valorant is open, close it normally. Look at the bottom right corner of your screen in the system tree. Click the upward arrow to show hidden icons. Locate the Riot client icon. Right-click on it and select Exit. If you don't close both Valorant and Riot client, you might face errors during uninstallation. You can also right-click on the taskbar and open Task Manager. Then go to the Processes tab. Locate all the processes related to Valorant and Riot client. Right-click on each process and select the End Task option. Method 2. Uninstall Valorant via Control Panel. Now that both applications are closed, follow these steps to remove the Valorant from your computer. Click on the search bar, type Add or Remove Programs and open the top result. Look for Valorant or in the search bar of this window, type Valorant. Click on Valorant, then select Uninstall. A confirmation prompt will appear, confirm it. Follow the on-screen prompts to finish the process. Wait for the process to complete. You should see a message confirming the uninstallation. Repeat the same process to uninstall Riot Vanguard. Method 3. Remove residual Valorant files. Even after uninstalling, some leftover files remain on your PC. Here is how to remove them. Open File Explorer using Windows Search. Navigate to the location where you installed Valorant. It is usually in local disk C. Open the Riot Games folder. Locate the Valorant folder, right-click the folder, select Show More Options, then select Delete. You can also delete the local app data files. To do that, press Win+R to open the Run command box. Type %local app data % and press Enter. Scroll down and find the Valorant folder. Right-click the folder, select Show More Options, then select Delete. You can also delete the Riot Games folder from %local app data % to remove all traces of Riot's software. Once done, restart your PC. This should completely uninstall Valorant from your PC. This method ensures that no residual files are left behind. If you ever decide to reinstall the game, you can download it from the official Riot Game website. And that's it. The methods to uninstall Valorant from your device. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. If you have any suggestions, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.